Hey there folks, welcome back. Let's broaden our knowledge of real estate. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be quite a head-scratcher. Tax implications in real estate. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing in property, understanding how these transactions impact your taxes is crucial, especially if you're planning to retire comfortably. First things first, let's talk about the basics. When you buy a property, you need to be aware of a few tax-related costs. Property taxes, paid annually and based on the assessed value of your property. Mortgage interest. Deduction, interest on your mortgage is often tax deductible. Points and closing costs. Some closing fees, like points to lower your interest rate, can be deductible. Once you own the property, there are ongoing tax implications. Property taxes due annually. Depreciation. For rental property, you can depreciate the building cost over time, reducing taxable income. Repairs versus improvements. Repairs are deductible in the year made, while improvements add value and are depreciated over time. When it comes time to sell, consider these tax implications. Capital gains tax. Profit from the sale is subject to capital gains tax. If it's your primary residence and you've lived there for at least 2 of the past 5 years, you may exclude up to $250,000 of the gain, or up to $500,000 for married couples. 1031 exchange. Investors can defer capital gains taxes by reinvesting in similar property. For investors, there are additional tax implications. Rental income is taxable, but expenses like mortgage interest, property taxes, operating expenses, depreciation, and repairs are deductible. Real estate is typically a passive activity, with losses usually offsetting other passive income. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Consult a tax professional. Real estate transactions can be complicated, so get advice based on your specific situation. 2. Stay informed. Tax laws change frequently. Stay updated on the latest rules and regulations. 3. Plan ahead. Consider the timing and potential tax implications when planning to sell a property. And there you have it, folks. Understanding the tax implications of real estate transactions is crucial for anyone looking to invest and eventually retire comfortably. I hope this helps clear up some confusion and sets you on the right path. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching The Old Man That Doesn't Know Anything. Until next time, happy investing.